Located on a former grazing land in Moore Creek, Tamworth, Australia, House in the Dry is an architectural response to the challenges of a harsh and arid climate. Designed by MRTN Architects, this house is not only a residence but also a regenerative project that reconnects with the surrounding landscape. Built on what was once dusty, barren soil, the property has been transformed into a thriving oasis filled with native Australian vegetation. One of the primary challenges in designing this house was dealing with the persistent drought that frequently affects the region. MRTN addressed this by placing a central enclosed garden at the heart of the house, a microclimate that serves as both a source of life and moisture. Two barn-like buildings, joined together by a continuous roof, wrap around this garden in a square formation. This configuration not only creates a private courtyard but also serves as a passive strategy to retain humidity and shield the interior from heat. Aesthetically, the house rejects the typical suburban style commonly found in Australia, which often features brick and tile construction. Instead, it embraces materials associated with agricultural structures, metal roofing, sheet metal walls, ironbark timber, and natural stone. The use of recessive colors and materials, such as matte silver roofs and dark cladding, allows the home to blend effortlessly into the surrounding landscape rather than dominate it. The interior layout is both functional and tactile, emphasizing natural materials. The central pavilion houses the kitchen, dining area, and living space, while the western wing contains guest quarters with bedrooms and bathrooms. The eastern side is reserved for the master suite, complete with an ensuite bathroom and walk-in wardrobe. One standout feature of the house is the semi-outdoor room on the side, equipped with a fireplace and covered by a roof but screened only by fine mesh. This space becomes a favorite retreat during warmer months. continuous roof that spans the entire structure not only ties the design together visually, but also creates a sheltered walkway between rooms, functioning as a breezeway that enhances natural ventilation. This design element draws inspiration from architectural traditions in the Middle East and Mediterranean, regions with similarly dry, windy climates. In collaboration with landscape firm SBLA, MRTN created a green environment that extends beyond the central garden to cover the entire site. By reshaping the land's contours, the house remains protected from neighboring views while still maintaining a strong visual connection to the distant hills. Existing soil was repurposed, and native grasses and trees were reintroduced to rehabilitate the degraded landscape. Sustainability is a key focus of the project. The home is equipped with solar panels, oriented to maximize thermal performance from the north, and features a rainwater harvesting system. These strategies ensure the house can endure extreme weather conditions, whether in periods of drought or during the colder months. With its elongated form embedded into the terrain, House in the Dry stands as an example of contemporary architecture that is humble in appearance yet sophisticated in its planning. More than just a shelter, it embodies a philosophy of living in harmony with the powerful yet awe-inspiring natural environment of rural Australia.